Is that there to loose for the chain?
Yeah, right now it is. It's on purpose.
Why? Just out of curiosity.
NT8 at the Busted Knuckle. I'm going to show you how I wired the deal here. Got a little bit more of got a little bit more to do here, but I got the power supplies mounted, wired, cell phone's right there. And what I did is I spliced right into the two lines here, positive and negative, ran them under the tank. The exhaust is on the right hand side of the bike, so I ran the wires up under the tank and up, and the power's there. And then my fuse block I put in a super secret location, which is right there. And I ran a bolt from the inside, or the outside to the inside. Waterproof connectors. And I still got a little bit of wire tying to do on that. Buyers, if you get a chance, here's the view of that. You know what I'm talking about. And there she is, stripped down, buck-ass naked. And we go from there. And the engine is right on it. So, talk to you later.